Guys, nagagalit si Bunso kasi hindi niya hindi niya kayang buhatin yung bag niya. So ito guys, unahin po natin na pamili dito guys, household guys, no. So magdala-dala po tayo ng 10 pieces na big kiss ng pera. Okay? Yan. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So yan guys, household product muna yung ating bibilin guys. Unahin natin ang bilhin. Okay?
Hey! Hey! It's my backpack! Hey! It's my backpack!
Bigat. Okay guys.
It's my backpack!
Guys, nagagalit si Bunso kasi hindi niya kayang buhatin yung bag niya. Tara na.
Okay.
I put there, no? Okay. Hanggang dito na lang muna guys. See you sa next video. Bye-bye.